Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this board. This is of a dental chair. This board controls a hydraulic motor and a block of solenoids. So the problem with this board is the down solenoid stays hot all the time, and one time it burnt out. So they brought it to me to test it, and when I tested using a multimeter, everything seems to be right. So how does this board work is the solenoids are connected here at this terminal. The first one is live 240 volts, and then 4 pins for each solenoid. And these solenoids are controlled using these triac. These triacs are controlling the neutral side. So the live side is always there to the solenoids, but the neutral side is controlled using these solenoids. And these solenoids are powered using or driven using these optocouplers here. And the signal from the controller comes through this connector here to control the chair up or down, or the backrest also, forward or backwards. And also this one here with the heatsink is to turn on the motor, which is connected to this connector here. Okay, so when we test this board, the down triac, this one, is connected to this pin here. So if we test from here to there, we should see no voltage if the triac is off. So here we have two push buttons. One is written here down and the other one is up. So let me turn it on. As you can see, it is turned on. If we test from the live, which is the first pin, to the second pin, we should see no voltage here. And as you can see, we have nothing there. It's 53 millivolts. So it looks normal. But to test the triacs, you need to load them. So to confirm if they are leaky or not. So now it is off. Let me connect this lamp. This lamp is now connected to this exact triac, which brings the chair down. So if we test or turn on now, as you can see, it is leaky. If I press the down button here, it is glowing red. Okay, it is turning on, but when I release the button, it should turn off. So let me go to the other one next to it. Okay, let me turn on. As you can see, it is not on at all, not even a small light. So when we press the up button now, as you can see, it lights. And when I release the button, it turns off. That confirms that this triac is faulty and leaky. So we need to replace it. Let me replace it. Here is another replacement. I will install it, then we will test again. Okay, so I replaced both the triac and the optocoupler just for good measure. And now it is on, as you can see, but the lamp is not on. And when we press the down button, it illuminates. And when we release the button, it switches off. Let's try again. It completely off. So these two components was the only issue with this board. And now it is fixed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this repair. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you in another video.